These practices are so simple, just 2 minutes of proper breathing actually is proven. This isn't woo-woo. This isn't something you need your yoga mat for. This is physiological effects that happen when you breathe in a way that taps into your autonomic nervous system, that rest and digest response that triggers your body, triggers your brain, that it's time to just be present. Be present, be calm, be relaxed, and show up as the person you want to be. Now, this doesn't happen overnight. This isn't as simple as just learning some breathing practices and now all of a sudden you're done, because just like any other change management program, knowing what you need to do and actually doing it are two very different things. I started introducing these Breathe into Breakthrough training sessions. I started offering free workshops online, and I was so surprised at the number of people that were really excited to participate in this work. And what they didn't realize is that 10 minutes a day for 10 days sounds really easy until you sign up for it. And then you realize, wow, okay, any kind of transformation, any kind of transition is going to bring up some stuff. So I've been able to work with clients to stay with just this 10-minute a day practice. And it's been life-changing for so many people. It's really amazing. This is something clients do every day, throughout the day, at work, in meetings, before they're giving a talk, to down-regulate their anxiety responses. And it's as simple as breathing. Breathe through your nose, slow down your breath, slow down your pace in your body, and start being more present with everything you do. You won't believe the difference a breath can make.